What's up, guys? So today we're making another video. It's going to be one of my favorite releases for June. So here we got one of the newest releases that came out this week. You guys can already tell from the box. Got the Air Jordan 6 Hares. So when you open it, you do have that hair colorway with that weird pattern right here. So here you got the actual shoes. So looking at this shoe, it's actually really good. I really do like the colorway. You know, Hare's is one of the best Air Jordan 7s in my opinion. The nubuck material is very soft. The leather is it's not tumble, but it's definitely pretty good. I do like that clear tongue that they put inside. You know, just have a good comparison. Let me go grab my Hares. So here I have my Hare 7s, and these are from 2014. So you can already tell. So here I have both of them. So mine's going to be a little bit dirty, so it's going to be not as clean as these 6's. But definitely the comparison between those two is actually really nice. Actually, the way they executed it, just everything in general is actually really nice. So the colorway in the box says neutral gray with black and white. So that's pretty straightforward, honestly. It's really not too bad. So the shoe's all white with this gray nubuck with the red tongue, and it also has, I really do like the way the lace lock is, how it's like yellow. It has that nice, you know, vintage vibe to it. Now if you look inside, well, you can't really see the insole, but the insole has the same pattern as the back of the tongue, which has some weird pattern. It's really not too bad. And then the bottom, it's not translucent, but I feel like over time this actually might like yellow or get dirty kind of. Overall, it's really not a bad shoe personally. I really think it's really nice. You know, I think with everything going on right now, you know, it being I think like 201 something is kind of a lot, but for, you know, a release like this, it's really not too bad. So now if we're talking about the negatives, there are some factory flaws. So as you can see, the hole right there is kind of like not fully cut in. And this is actually, I copped it myself in the store, so, you know, it's nothing crazy about that. Then right here in the toe box, you kind of have a little bit of glue stain. Really not too bad, but overall, I really don't have much of complaints just because they executed this so well, I think, in my opinion. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. Do you guys like the Hare 7s, or do you guys like the Hare 6's? Overall, I think it's a great shoe. I think they executed well. And anyways, I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.